this used to be, right here, used to be my garden. And it'll end up being my garden again. My chicken coops were right there, running down where my backhoe is right now. And but right now I'm currently in the process of putting in a new septic system, and I want it to be plenty big enough so I never have to mess with it ever again. So I know that hole doesn't look deep, but that's a 3-foot bucket, and so it's actually a little longer than 3 feet, so that's close to 4 feet deep right now. And I hit rock at about 3 feet, so I've got to go down some more. But this old 68 backhoe, this thing's running burnt motor oil right now. It just, whatever I put in it, sometimes I add good diesel to it and just add a little bit more burnt motor oil, but I run whatever I got. But this is an old WainRoy backhoe. See if I can get around here and get a picture of that logo. WainRoy. This is a factory WainRoy backhoe. But yeah, the hole's pretty deep now. Yeah, so I know it doesn't look like much. I'm gonna lean you up so you can see. This is how tall the backhoe is to me, and but I'm currently just having fun chipping through this rock. This is all sandstone, and I went through about a foot. This is about a foot of sandstone, and it comes out in these like wafers. It makes a really good, once it dries out, it's really good for laying stone or anything like that. But you can see my water, I got a hole in the radiator up there, and you can see it running down under the backhoe. I just fill it up about every hour or two and just let it run. It'll be okay. But anyway, that's what I'm up to.